Stop spending $50 on high-end brightening serums. Most of them sit on shelves so long that the active ingredients lose their punch anyway. Today, I'm showing you how to make a potent, 100% natural glow booster using something you usually throw in the trash. This is my secret for fading dark spots. Grab the peels of organic orange. We want the oils trapped in the skin. It's a powerhouse for brightening dull skin and fading dark spots. It promotes collagen production, which keeps your skin looking firm and bouncy. Place them in a glass bowl and pour over enough hot water just to cover them. Let this steep for 1 hour to 2 hours. This draws out the natural oils and antioxidants. Once cooled, pour everything, peels and water, into your blender. Pulse it until it's a smooth, pulpy liquid. Now grab a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth. We want the fine gold, none of the grit. To give it that serum consistency and soothe the skin, add 2 teaspoons of pure aloe vera gel to your liquid. Aloe is a humectant, meaning it locks moisture into the skin. It is incredibly anti-inflammatory, so it calms any redness while the vitamin C works its magic. It also gives our serum that perfect silky texture. Whisk it until it's silky smooth. Transfer it into a dark glass bottle to protect it from light. Here's how to use it for the best results. Apply it to a clean, damp face in the evening. This is packed with natural acids, so it's best to let it work while you sleep. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock it in. Always wear SPF the next morning. Vitamin C makes your skin more sun-sensitive. Because this is fresh and has no chemical preservatives, you must keep it in the fridge. It will stay fresh and potent for about 7 to 10 days. If it starts to change color or smell different, toss it and whip up a fresh batch. Cheap, effective, and smells like a dream. If you try this, let me know in the comments how your skin feels after a week. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean beauty hacks.